Let's implement the for of loop in JavaScript. This is Daniel and you are going to get coded. I'm going to use again cars as an example. The first one, again, Audi. The second one is going to be Ferrari. And the third one is going to be Tesla. But you can have anything you like. And then we need for let car of cars. And then I'm going to say console.log. And I'm going to print to the console that specific car. And hopefully you can see it. And JavaScript is case sensitive, so you need to make sure that you respect the naming. So you have Audi, Ferrari, and Tesla, which works. So let's recap. In order for you to use the for of, you need again a collection. And here you can see that I named this car. So this is the item that you are iterating over. And then inside the for, I have just one statement which prints all the items one by one to the console, as you can see down here. If you like this video, please click thumbs up. Also, here are other ways in which you can loop over arrays in JavaScript. Until next time, bye guys.